Hi, wondering how to access and read an expert profile on the Expernova platform? Well, you're in the right place. Let's switch to the Expernova platform. This is the search results interface on the query photonic crystals. To access an expert profile from the search results interface, click the expert's name. It displays the profile preview on the right. This profile preview includes two main parts. The first one, including the global expertise of the expert and the access to his scientific works and collaboration. All this information is related to the full expertise of the expert. The second part is called the Why section. The Why section includes analysis elements explaining why Mr. Cross is relevant on the query. In other words, the why justifies why the expert is part of the search results. To go further and access the full profile, click Open. Now let's see how to read the profile. There are two main parts, just like in the previous structure. The why, which is related to the query, and the other information that is not related to the query. It is related to the full expertise of the expert. At the top of the profile, the expert's name is displayed. Below, you can find the expert affiliation. It's clickable, and you can display the profile on the right. A link Other relation displays the affiliation details. You have a graphic and a list that represent the same information. You can see the affiliation details. Here we can see that Mr. Cross is affiliated to the School of Physics and Astronomy, which belongs to the University of St. Andrews. So he has only one affiliation. You can click on the close button to go back to the profile. On the right corner, you can access to the expert's contact details. Then, below, there is a Why section. When running a query on Overview or Organization Focus Search Mode, the expert profiles includes a section called the Why. It is the same section than the one we saw on the preview. The Why section provides you with analytical elements to justify why this expert is considered as one of the most relevant on your search topic. Expernova is not only a database, it is also an analytical tool. Expernova justifies why the profile is relevant regarding your search and includes three subsections: experience, network and community, people and works. Let's see them in details. In the experience subsection, you will see very quickly if the expert has recently published some works on your search topic, how long the expert has been working on your search topic, or if the expert is a precursor on your search topic. In the people and work section, you can access the scientific works, that is to say the publication, the patents, or clinical trial published by the expert on your search topic. The links are clickable to let you access to the list of works. Then, in the network and community subsection, you can access to the collaborative network of the expert on your search topic. This will represent the extent of the network that the expert has and can solicit on your search topic. Before showing you the collaborative network of the expert on the search topic, let me quickly explain the rest of the displayed information. You can access the name of his best collaborator. You can also have an indication of his collaborator's country's location. This represents the scope of the network that the expert has and can solicit on your search topic. You can see if the expert has some colleagues working on the same research topic. And finally, if applicable, you will be able to check if the expert is currently participating in a scientific study such as a clinical trial. Now, let's go back to the connection graph to see the collaboration of the expert. To do so, click on the connection. And now, let's see the connection graph. So it shows all the collaboration of the experts. So you have Mr. Cross in the middle and all over all the collaborators on the search topic. So you can see very quickly with whom he collaborates or has collaborated. You have a graph and a list that represent the same information. Sort and filter options are available at the top of the list. And to finish, Expernova allows you to access to the details of the collaboration between the two experts. To do so, click Open Connection. The connection form is displayed and allows you to access to the details of the collaboration. The connection form includes two parts representing the two experts. Then the Why section below justifies why the collaboration between the two experts is relevant on the query photonic crystal. You have elements in terms of experience. The two experts have been working on the topic for 8 years, and they have co-published 44 scientific work. This is clickable to let you access to the co-works. Remember that the common expertise and the co-works are not related to the query. They are related to the full expertise of the two experts. Now let's go back to the profile of our experts. So below the Why section, you can access the expertise of the expert. The expertise is a result of an automated analysis of the expert's document. This representation allows you to visualize the specificities of a person at a glance without having to look at his scientific works. The expertise is based on the analysis of all his scientific works. On the People, Works and Connection section, you have a direct access to the expert's scientific works and to his collaborative network. Click an icon to access the full list of work or to the collaborative network. The scientific works and the collaborative network are related to the full expertise of the expert. They are not related to your query. Below this section, you have windows, which are another way to access the list of works and collaborative networks of the expert. And to finish, on the right, you have the Discover More feature. The Discover feature allows to display suggestions of expert profiles. They are related to the full expertise of the expert. They are not related to the query. When you click on the button Discover More, you will display 3 suggestions of experts' profiles working on the same topics. If you click again, the Discover page is displayed and includes the following. In the first box, Expert working on the same topic, you will have suggestions of who works on the same topics of the expert. Please note that the expert suggestions are related to the full expertise and they are not related to your query. On the section They work on the same topic, you will find suggestions of laboratories which are working on the same topics as the expert. And on the scientific document of interest, you will find some suggestion of publication on the same topic as the expert. Same for the patent family, project, and clinical trial if applicable. These are suggestions of works on the same topic as the expert. So we saw all the elements of the expert profile. Thanks for watching. Watch more tutorials on expernova.com and follow us on social networks.